No end to BJP versus Mamta showdown in Bengal. After a massive showdown on the streets of Kolkata, the BJP has now alleged that its workers were attacked with crude bombs by Trinamool Congress workers. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya, along with senior BJP leaders at North Kolkata's Jorasanko, demanded an FIR over the alleged crude bomb attack. BJP alleged that despite waiting for hours, police didn't register an FIR and claimed that 3 BJP MPs were manhandled. He further stated that BJP will file a motion for breach of privilege. Today, the BJP will observe a silent protest against alleged excesses by the Kolkata police. Just yesterday, police lathi-charged BJP workers who were marching towards the state secretariat. The cops used water cannons, fired tear gas shells and even resorted to lathi-charge. The protesters had also pelted stones and in fact, they pelted stones at the cops, which is when the cops say that they used force to stop those protesters.
भाजपा बहुत भारी मात्रा में पश्चिम बंगाल में उभर के आ रहे हैं और आ गए हैं ऑलरेडी। 19 में ये दिख चुका है लोगों को। तो अगर लोग ज़्यादा हैं तो कुछ लोगों को जाने देते। ऐसे मारदंगा करने की क्या ज़रूरत थी? इस तरह से वाटर कमान दगाने की क्या ज़रूरत थी?
वो आंदोलन करते हैं, उसकी शिकायत करते हैं कि हमको रोका जा रहा है। और उत्तर प्रदेश में कांग्रेस पार्टी जब हाथरस पहुंचने की कोशिश करती है, उनको रोका जाता है, जबरन रोका जाता है। तब इनका स्टैंड बदल जाता है। तो इनकी दोहरी चरित्र और चाल है, ये दुनिया ने देखी है, अनेक बार देखी है और अभी भी दिखाई दे रही है।
Just yesterday, my colleague Indrajit Kundu spoke to BJP Yuva Morcha President Tejasvi Surya. Let's take a listen what he said.
We are joined by BJP Yuva Morcha President Tejasvi Surya, who was here leading the rally to Navarno today. Tejasvi, whatever happened today, a pandemonium literally in the midst of a pandemic, the government says that you are flouting the rule and therefore it was an illegal gathering.
What about the protest that Mamta Banerjee led 2 days ago? Was that a legal gathering? Won't the same rules, the same Epidemic Act, the same rules apply to us? Can there be one rule that applies to the TMC and another rule that applies to the BJP?
Stones, bottles were thrown and then a revolver. A revolver was recovered.
Stones were thrown at us. Country bombs were thrown at me and, the team that we were all part of.
We're cutting across to Indrajit Kundu, reporting live from Kolkata. Indrajit, we heard what Tejasvi Surya said. He said country-made bombs were hurled at the protesters. Was that true? Did that really take place on ground? And how did that really go out of hand? What's the situation right now? We understand the BJP is mulling over a silent protest. We see many of them already taking off.
Well, Nabila, these are allegations and counter-allegations coming in from both sides. The BJP, of course, has alleged that there was excessive use of force. Tejasvi Surya, of course, alleged that there were crude bombs hurled at them. However, these are all allegations, as I said, and they are subject to a probe. However, what has happened, of course, is that police have arrested a few persons from the rally that Tejasvi Surya himself took part in which one BJP leader was arrested along with his bodyguard. And that person had a revolver on him. The BJP says that that was the bodyguard and he was carrying a licensed revolver. The police, of course, say that the license belongs to Rajouri in Jammu and therefore it was illegal for him to have that revolver in possession here in West Bengal, here in Kolkata. Now, with the kind of police action that we saw yesterday, the state BJP has given a call for a silent protest march this evening. And in a short while from now, State BJP President Dilip Ghosh will be addressing the media and sharing his views. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things unfold in the days to come. But most definitely, those few people who were arrested yesterday for possession of arms at the BJP rally, they have been produced before court. And we are expecting the court to send them to either police custody or judicial custody for days to come.
Well, Indrajit Kundu, thank you very much for joining us with those. But do stay back. We have some more.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.